Counting Stitches with KnittingWomen.com. So the first place that you will always want to count your stitches is right after you cast on. The way that you count your stitches is by counting how many loops you have on the needle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a stitch marker here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So it can always be helpful to put in stitch markers to keep track of how many stitches you have. I personally like to put them every 10, 25, or 50, but here I cut my 14 stitches in half, so it's easier to keep track of. So no shame in using stitch markers. If you ever want to count while you're in the middle of a project, again, you want to count how many loops are on the needle because that's how many stitches you have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on this one. If you want to be counting your rows, this is stockinette stitch, and then at the bottom is garter. So let's really quick count our rows. Every V counts as a row in stockinette stitch. We don't count live stitches as rows, and those live stitches are the loops. So let's count our V's. 1 V, 2 V, 3 V's, 4 V's, and 5 V's, and then each double set of loops for garter counts as 1 row. So we have 1 row and then 2 rows. So that is 5 plus 2 is 7. So we have 7 rows.